Hi everyone, in this video we're going to go over some text functions. The first one we're going to use is the text join function, and then we'll also do the same scenario using the concat function. So let's start by going over to cell A99. Just type your WPU username, so that's the first part of your email, and then in cell B99 just type your 855 number, and then we can go to cell C99 and type equals text join. I'll hit tab on my keyboard. The first thing it's asking us for is a delimiter. So we want to join our username and our 855 just with a space in between. So for the delimiter, let's open our quotes. We'll hit spacebar once, close our quotes, type a comma. We can include our empty cells. We'll type one more comma. Our text 1 is going to be our username. So that's going to be in cell A99. And then type a comma, our text 2 is going to be in cell B99, which is our 855, and then close our parentheses and hit enter. Now let's do that same scenario but just using the concat function. So again, I'm just going to copy and paste my username and 855 number so that we have it in cell A103 and B103, and then in cell C103 I'm going to type equals concat, hit tab. My text 1 in this case is going to be my username, so I'll hit A103, type a comma. In this case, our text 2 is going to be our space, so we'll open quotes, click space, close quotes, type a comma, and then our text 3 is going to be our 855 number, so that's going to be B103, close parentheses, and hit enter. And that gave us the same result, our username, space, 855 number.